The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Muskingum County, eastern Coshocton County, northwestern Tuscarawas County until 10:15 p.m. At 9:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Coshocton, moving north at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dover, Coshocton, Strasburg, West Lafayette, Sugar Creek, Dresden, Bolivar, Baltic, Conesville, Pearl, Plainfield, Adamsville, Otsego, Chile and Bakersville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at